Come on, Carson, let's look in your book bag. Come on, look. Hey, there's your lunch. What's in here? Let's look. Did you eat your sandwich? Ooh, you ate your sandwich. Good boy. And you ate some muffins. And let's see what else. And you ate some crackers.
And juice.
Didn't juice? You want your juice? Okay.
And car.
Take it in the car. And you made something. What did you make? It's fun to share. You shared with Anna. You shared a ball. Look. Ball. See? Buddies did?
I'll do it.
No, you won't do it.
I'll do it.
No, Carson did it. He shared with Anna. Who's Anna?
Anna. Book I'll do it.
Who is Anna, Carson? Hmm? Her?
Yes.
Did you make a new friend?
Yes.
Do you like Anna?
Yes.
You do?
Yes.
You're making friends with all the girls, huh?
That's go sister.
She's a girl like sister?
Yes.
But sister's prettier, huh?
Good.
Yeah. Say hi, Mommy. Say hi on the phone. Mommy can see you. Say hi, Mommy. That's Anna. That's Carson.
What's she say? Yummy. Good. She say.
Sister's right there. Say bye-bye.